The world of flagship killers, the Nubia Z60 Ultra and Z60S Pro. Both of these phones pack a punch with top-tier specs, but at a fraction of the cost compared to their mainstream counterparts. With a 120Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and a massive 6000 mAh battery, the Z60 Ultra aims to be the ultimate powerhouse. But if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the Z60S Pro might be your go-to option. Let us explore what makes these phones stand out in the crowded smartphone market. Let us start with the design. Both the Z60 Ultra and Z60S Pro feature a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, but the similarities start to diverge there. The Z60 Ultra sports a more squared-off design, with sharp edges that give it a robust, professional look. Meanwhile, the Z60S Pro opts for a more rounded design, making it comfortable to hold and sleek to look at. The Ultra has a glass front and back with an aluminum frame, offering that premium feel. While both phones look and feel great in hand, the Ultra weighs a bit more due to its larger battery, but it's hardly noticeable. Both devices offer a stunning visual experience with 120Hz AMOLED displays. The Z60 Ultra comes with HDR10 support and a peak brightness of 1500 nits, which is perfect for outdoor use under bright sunlight. The Z60S Pro, while slightly less bright at 1200 nits, still delivers vivid and sharp images. The resolution on the Z60 Ultra is slightly lower at 1116x2480, but it's hard to notice any difference when you're in the thick of gaming or binge watching your favorite series. Both screens are responsive, smooth, and an absolute pleasure to use. Under the hood, the Z60 Ultra is powered by the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This beast of a processor is paired with 12 GB of RAM, making multitasking and gaming a breeze. With Geekbench scores reaching 2,250 for single-core and 7,050 for multi-core, this phone is built for speed. On the other hand, the Z60S Pro is no slouch either, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 from the previous year. It's still powerful enough for most users, scoring 1,980 for single-core and 5,795 for multi-core. But if you're a gamer or a power user, the Z60 Ultra S overclocked performance is where you'll want to be. Let us talk cameras. The Z60 Ultra packs a triple camera setup, headlined by a 50MP primary sensor, a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. What's impressive here is that all three lenses come with optical image stabilization (OIS), ensuring crisp and clear shots even in shaky conditions. The Z60S Pro also has a triple camera setup, but with slightly less impressive specs of 50MP wide-angle primary, 8MP telephoto, and 50MP ultra-wide. The Ultra wins out with its superior OIS and larger sensors, but both phones are equipped with Nubia Z60 NeoVision AI photography system, which offers features like AI ultra clear image quality and AI sky enhancements. For video, the Z60 Ultra doesn't disappoint, offering 8K recording at 30 fps and 4K at up to 120 fps. The Z60S Pro matches these specs but falls slightly behind in terms of stabilization, especially with its telephoto lens. Both phones, however, deliver high-quality video, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or under more challenging lighting conditions. Battery life is another area where these phones shine. The Z60 Ultra comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery and supports 80W fast charging. That means you can go from zero to full in just under an hour. The Z60S Pro has a slightly smaller 5100 mAh battery but still supports the same 80W fast charging. And unlike some of their competitors, Nubia includes the charger in the box, no extra purchase necessary. Both phones run on iOS 14, based on Android 14. The interface is close to stock Android but with a few tweaks here and there. You've got plenty of customization options, from themes to fonts to home screen layouts. Gamers will appreciate the inclusion of Nubia S Game Space, which offers tools like performance profiles, on-screen controllers, and real-time FPS monitoring. Overall, the software is smooth, fast, and intuitive. To wrap it up, both the Nubia Z60 Ultra and Z60S Pro offer incredible value for money. The Z60 Ultra is perfect for those who want top-tier performance, a full-screen experience, and a powerful camera system. The Z60S Pro is a great choice for those who prioritize selfie quality and still want a solid gaming and photography experience. Whichever you choose, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. If you're interested in grabbing one of these phones, check out the links in the description below. And if you've got any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews.